it's Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau and Visit Aberdeen SD. I'm here with Patricia, and we are at the Dacotah Prairie Museum because you guys have all sorts of festive things coming up.
Yes, and welcome to the museum. I made you some hot cocoa.
Oh, cocoa, I love cocoa.
Yes, it's that time of year. We have our holiday open house, which is December 13th. It's from 11 until 3 o'clock. We will have music, we'll have Santa, we'll have some make and take ornaments and decorated sugar cookie. And before that, though, Tuesday, December 9th, the Rosemarie and Dean L. Buntrock Gallery will be open. So starting tomorrow, Tuesday at 10 a.m. when we open, the Buntrock Gallery will be open. So you'll be able to see that when you come for holiday open house. And then after that, on December 20th, which is the next Saturday, we will have our public grand opening of the Buntrock Gallery, and we're going to have some giveaways for the people who come, the first people that come, probably the first 50 or so. We have a super cute little plush bison, and we can tell you more about the exhibit when you come.
Is it like a little mini Buster?
Yes, but softer and cuter.
I mean, Buster's pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing, yes. And then it's Christmas. Christmas Tree Lane is open now until December 23rd. We have 24 community trees. They really took the theme, "You'll Be in My Heart," to heart. And so we want you to come and see that. And yeah, our hours are Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 11 to 4. We're going to have a busy 2.5 weeks here. And then we will be closed Christmas Eve, starting Christmas Eve, December 24th, then through the weekend. And then we'll reopen the Tuesday after Christmas.
Well, a little bit of a breather for you guys, but you have a lot of cool things coming up here, and it is so gorgeous in here. You guys have to come and check out all the trees, and obviously, like Patricia said, that holiday open house is going to be a great chance to do some activities and have a ton of holiday fun here at the museum. And that's kind of leading into the downtown parade of lights. So your holiday open house ends at 3, but you're open till 4, right?
True.
And then the parade of lights is 5:30, so that's 4 to 5:30 is a really great time to maybe grab a snack, grab a meal, an early meal, and then stay downtown for the downtown parade of lights.
Yeah, come downtown, stay downtown all day long. We're here for you.
And with Christmas just around the corner, there are a ton of great holiday events coming up, including on Saturday, the Aberdeen Santa Run 5K Fun Run/Walk that starts at 10 a.m. at Wiley Park. That'll be just kind of a unique new event for Aberdeen. On Friday night, Sherwin and Pam Linton and the Cotton Kings will have a Christmas program at Hub City Station Event Center that starts at 7 p.m. Tickets are $15. Aberdeen Wings are at home this weekend. They take on the Minnesota Mallards. Puck drops at 7:15 p.m. on Friday and Saturday night. The Shaun Johnson Holiday Big Band Concert is Sunday afternoon at the Johnson Fine Arts Center at Northern State University. That starts at 4 p.m. Tickets are $35. And then looking ahead a little bit, next Wednesday, December 17th, the Holiday Jam with the Hegg brothers is at the Aberdeen Civic Theater. That starts at 7 p.m. This weekend is the Aberdeen Family YMCA Girls Interstate Basketball Tournament. So welcome to all the athletes, fans, and their families. And if you're looking for more holiday events, make sure you check out our holiday events roundup. That URL is down in the description below. And if you need more information about these and other events, make sure you head to AberdeenAreaEvents.com. That is where we keep all the best events in Aberdeen. It is also where you can submit an event. So if you have something going on, you want people to know about it, we're coming into a new year very, very shortly. So get those 2026 events on our calendar at AberdeenAreaEvents.com. All right, I've been Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau and Visit Aberdeen SD. Let's go out there and have an amazing festive weekend right here in Aberdeen.